In this video, I'm going to show you how to ban someone on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok app and I'll use that random video as an example how to ban someone on TikTok. Here, let's say this video violates community guidelines and now I can report on this video. So all I have to do is just hold down on this video and then right here just next to this flag icon hit on report. Now I can select between those different reasons, so look for them carefully and select the exact reason why you think that this content violates community guideline. It may be, for example, harmful misinformation or adult nudity or something like that, and then I'll select, for example, hateful behavior, and now I can hit there at submit, and once I hit submit, TikTok support team will get a report on this video and they will view that account, and if they will find any violations of community guidelines on that account, they may block him. The next thing that you can do with that, so let's say you don't want to report a person, you just want to hide that content from you. All you have to do in that case is just open up that person's profile and then right here tap at three dots icon and then hit on block just right there. This blocks that person's content from showing you in TikTok feed. So in these two ways you can ban someone's content on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.